Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jen and this is Jen Restyle Fashion, where we flip it, thrift it, and style it so that we can achieve the wardrobe of our dreams. All right, you guys, welcome to part 2. Yes, I'm still in my beautiful Farm Rio skirt that I thrifted off Poshmark, along with this top that I got from Zara and my Zara heels. I love these little mesh shoes. When they came out with the mesh line, I bought everything. I bought two pair of black, two pair of beige, and then these mule type shoes, and I love them. Very dainty, but I love them. All right, so you know what we're doing today. Today we are showing the haul from Savers, where me and Brenda went thrifting. And then I'm going to show you how I style the pieces that I got for myself personally. And then there was a piece that I got that is pushing me outside my comfort zone. And then Brenda gave me some ideas when we were in the store. And then I'm going to style the piece that Brenda got me, which I'm actually really excited about. Not something I would normally pick for myself, but I like it. And then we have a mystery piece. So I'm gonna go through my haul. I'll do her pieces at the end, and then we're gonna do a little styling. So I think you guys are gonna enjoy this episode. All right. Okay, let's look at the pieces that I picked up first. This is a pair of Athleta joggers, brand new with the tags. These go for $109. And y'all know Athleta ain't nothing to be played with. What I really like about these is that they are fully lined, which means I can wear these any time of year. These are so cute. I could wear them with this top I have on. I wouldn't, but I could. On the inside of the leg, there's this ribbing on the inside down to the bottom. So I might have to take these with me because I was looking at the temperature for when I'm traveling and it's gonna be a little chilly. So we might take this. All right, next up, I found this great pair of Levi's low-rise, Levi's Premium. I got them because they are nice and full through the leg, and I'm gonna cut them off right at the distressing, and we are going to have a pair of jorts. I'm gonna cut them right here, right there, and I've gotta take them in just a little bit in the waist, just ever so slightly, because they're low-rise, and I don't mind them being low-rise, but I felt like it was time for me to have another pair. I have that one pair that you guys absolutely love, but these, you guys have been asking me, how about upcycling a pair of jeans and make it? Well, you do have to have the right pair of jeans, and these are nice and full through the leg. So that's the thing. Now, what am I gonna do with the leftover fabric? Stand by and you shall see. This is a fantastic Tommy Hilfiger spring summer blazer. Big, it's oversized. I'm of course gonna crop it off. We're gonna put some elastic on the sleeves. We're gonna put elastic at the bottom. We're gonna get creative around this collar because look at the collar. When you flip it, look at that. It's got a really interesting detail on there. So we might try to incorporate that into the design. It's a really, really nice jacket. I could not pass it up. I almost left it when I was checking out and I was like, you know what? This is gonna be a stunner. All right, speaking of a stunner, so we grabbed this men's two-piece suit. I'm gonna hold it up to the camera so you can see. It's blue and gray plaid. I love that. This is a super, super oversized suit. In fact, let's see what size it is. This is a 52 regular, okay? But look at it, y'all. The best part about it is this. Look at the inside of the jacket. Look at that. Stunning. And the sleeves, y'all, I cannot wait to upcycle this. So yes, we're gonna wear it inside out. Yes, we're gonna zhuzh it up. And because these pants are so big, wait till you see what I've already got the idea of what I want it to be. Just wait. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited just thinking about it. All right, so I got this little skirt because for a couple of reasons. One, I thought that there might be a way for me to add to it or something at the bottom. I looked at it several times, and then when Brenda showed me what she picked out for me and how to style it, I thought, you know what? This would also go with that. So we're gonna use this skirt, and the skirt ended up being like $2. So I figure if it doesn't work out, it just doesn't work out. But I love the bold flowers in it. I love the cream color. I love the green leaves in it. And I thought this would be so nice. And so it's also just a really nice skirt in general. I got this really cute hat that I'm definitely gonna take with me on my trip. I told y'all I have a thing for hats in the summertime. Me and hats go together real bad. Real bad. And then to step outside of my comfort zone, I grabbed this long kind of jersey, Adidas top style. Yeah. So I started trying to think of ideas of how I could style it. So one of the things I'm gonna do is I am gonna cut a slit in the side and open it up. And then I think I'm gonna ruche it on one side like that, and then wear my white balloon pants. I think that's gonna be really, really cute. And I'm thinking maybe a baseball cap and some white heel. Y'all feeling me on this? I'm gonna try to make this work. This was definitely outside, okay? It was outside. Because that's not something that I would pick up unless I was doing a challenge. Now for what Brenda picked up for me. So I thought this was an amazing, amazing selection. And I've been thinking about how would I style, some of these soccer jerseys. I actually have one when I was in Ghana. I have a soccer jersey. Just didn't know what to do with it. So here is the jersey. It's red, which is definitely outside my comfort zone because y'all, who? Not me. I have that red dress. That's the only red dress I own now that I got rid of the other red dress. But this jersey, super, super cute. Then she got this skirt, okay, and another skirt. This is, I'm not gonna look at the surprise piece, but this is like a jacquard pencil skirt that I'm definitely gonna have to take in. So I'm gonna pop up her inspiration right here. This is what the idea that she had in mind. And I saw this and I thought, how lovely is that, right? So y'all know I'm gonna style this up and I'm gonna switch in and out the skirt with the flowers on it and the black skirt. It's probably gonna get worn to one of these fashion events. It's definitely outside of my norm, and the red is definitely outside the comfort zone. Okay, so now let's look at what she got me as a mystery gift. What? Really, Brenda? Neon yellow. Okay, y'all already know I'm rocking this with some jeans. You know I'm rocking this with some jeans, right? And you know it's getting upcycled, right? Oh my gosh. Brenda knows she loves a neon. Oh, it's getting worn backwards. We're gonna wear it backwards. We're gonna belt it. We're gonna wear some big jeans. Oh. Okay, I know y'all want to get into the styling, so let's get into the styling. Stat. These Levi's premium jeans were an easy yes. The wash was great, the distressing was already done, and the wider leg made them perfect for a pair of relaxed jorts. Sometimes the simplest upcycles are the ones you'll wear the most, and this one only took a few minutes. And look at how cool my new jorts look. I love them and I'll be wearing them so much. Next, This dress was probably one of the pieces that I would have walked right past. It's sporty, it's fitted, and honestly, it just didn't really feel like me, but that's exactly why I wanted to make it work. I started by adding a high slit to give it more movement. After trying it on, I adjusted the height before finishing the raw edges and pressing everything flat. Then came the fun part, the styling. I added a brooch, which completely changed the silhouette, and suddenly the aesthetic of this dress felt much more like my style. I even wanted to see if I could wear it more like a tunic over my white balloon pants from Akira, and I have to admit, this one really surprised me. It looked really, really nice. Sometimes everything doesn't need to be an upcycle. These Athleta joggers were already a great find. I paired them with heels and a structured denim Alexander Wang jacket and instantly elevated the look. Now we're getting into the pieces Brenda picked for me. This skirt was much too big, but that's an easy fix. A quick alteration gave me a much better fit, and then I started playing with proportions, layering the black skirt over the soccer jersey, creating this peplum effect. I really liked it, and I actually kind of love how playful it turned out. I even tried on another skirt just to see where the styling could go. This is one of my favorite parts about basically playing dress up. Getting dressed, sometimes the unexpected combination ends up being the winner. You just never know. And then there was this. I'm not gonna lie, this was the piece that had me questioning my whole entire existence. The vest was a ginormous, so I started by taking it in, hoping a better fit would solve the problem. Then I tried it on with white pants. Okay, we're not there yet. Then with denim. This one is making me work for it. Then with the jumpsuit. At one point, it looked less like a fashion creation and more like I was directing traffic. But I wasn't ready to give up. I wore it backwards, around my shoulders, around my waist. I'm determined not to let this vest win. Still, I wasn't convinced. Fashion and I are negotiating right now. Then I remembered I owned a pair of neon shorts. That completely changed everything. I folded the vest into a bandeau top. This gave it an entirely different personality, and suddenly the piece I liked the least became one of the most interesting looks of the challenge. This challenge definitely pushed me to think differently, and that's one of those things I love most about thrifting. Sometimes it isn't about finding the perfect piece. It's about seeing the potential in something everyone else will leave behind. Be sure to head over to Brenda's channel and see how she managed to style this skirt and top that I picked out for her for the mystery challenge. And let me know which look was your favorite. And did Brenda succeed in pushing me outside my comfort zone? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.